Yeah, so the partial lockdown in selected cities in Ghana has been lifted. And guys, I'm having mixed feelings about this whole thing because it's very, very risky. Guys, please, if you know you're not going to do anything in town, please stay at home. And also, if you're going to town, please carry your PPEs. Let it come very, very handy. Okay, let it come in very, very handy, because if you don't carry the PPEs along, you can contract the virus, because the virus is still out there. Okay guys, so welcome back to a reaction video right here on Odate TV. As you already know, once it's hot and trending, we're even going to react to it on this channel. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and so click on the bell icon. Stay tuned. So the president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, actually addressed the nation once again on how government is fighting the coronavirus pandemic in Ghana. And the highlight of his speech was the upliftment of the partial lockdown in selected cities in Ghana. And ever since he made that particular statement, Twitter has been buzzing since yesterday night. And guys, I'm going to read some comments on what some people are actually reacting to the partial lockdown being lifted. Okay guys, let me start with Celebrity Friend. He's saying that speech sounds like a victory while we've not even gotten to pick off the curve. Countries are reopening in 3 different and well-conducted phases, and we could have been doing that too. Reopenings in districts with low infection level in progressively moving in that direction. Okay, so Alvin Otri also tweeted, it's quite a delicate thought of a possible spread with the lifted lockdown, but generally I think it was a technical approach with a vigilante team on standby. Hunger was much fearful currently. At Aragosh also tweeted, Mr. President, at some point of your presidency, you realize it's better to be feared than love. The lockdown removal is, in my opinion, is risky. At Kofi also tweeted, Lalas, before you go ranting and insulting the presidency, remember no one has told you to leave your room. You can continue locking down for your own safety. Let the hungry man go find his peace. Yeah, so Savage also tweeted, hey Charlie, Ghana, we fool. See how my people are jubilating stupidly like corona is gone. Meanwhile, we are still recording cases. Hey, I think Mr. President is insane. Extra Mile also tweeted, boys be shouting and it be the hassle they bring money. We dey hung too much for room. We can't survive the lockdown. Now enter the street and face your death tour. You see what? Jacob and Teko also tweeted, fellow Ghanaians, and now those simply meant everyone for himself, God for us all. Lineup also tweeted, now that we can freely move if masks aren't provided, the spread might rise even faster. Ayo. Fireboy05 also tweeted, no one is forcing you. He just said he's lifted the lockdown. If you are not okay with it, please stay home with your generation. Stay safe too. Etowizi also tweeted, as boys they set matches, the girls low-key they cry sick of be small power they can't take. Stay home, save lives also tweeted. Juxtapose the decision to the rising rate of cases and our healthcare infrastructure. You must be brave to go outdoors mindlessly. Continue to use your masks, sanitize your hands, wash your hands with soap frequently, and stay away from crowded places. Okay, let me just chip in this. So guys, since the lockdown has been uplifted, as I said earlier, please, if you are not going to do anything in town, just stay at home. Just stay at home, because staying at home is the best way to actually prevent or avoid getting the virus. You get it? So just stay at home. And also, if you are going outside or you are going to town to, do whatever thing you're going to do, make sure you go along with your PPEs. So the PPEs, the protective, gadgets, okay? The personal protective equipment. So that one, I'm talking about the nose masks, your hand gloves, and also your hand sanitizer. Let all these things come in very, very handy, because you might not know that virus is still out there. And you can even look at the numbers. We have about 1,000+ cases recorded in Ghana so far, and we don't know. You can't tell me that the virus is here or there. You can't really tell where it is. So once you are going out and you are going to meet people, just carry the PPEs along. So let's practice the social distance. It's very, very important, because if you get close, if you get in contact with people, whether they have it or not, you might not know who has it. So then, if you practice the social distancing method, it will help us battle this particular cause. So let's take it very, very, very serious. I'm really, really pleading with you guys. Okay, let me move on with some of the tweets. Yeah, so the government, situation said the government chose political power over public health. Senyozi Ewusi Adedevo also tweeted, so please help me understand this. You all needed the lockdown to be lifted, so you call now, so you can call, really stay at home. Still no traffic on my radar, busy streets, please come and go to work. Jacob Nteko also tweeted, "My intuition keeps telling me this be trap and our leaders may be requiring higher number of cases to the extent we can't reject the vaccines we stand against if introduced. Still stay safe." Abraham also tweeted, "How many one night stands that may have ended in an unwanted pregnancy have been avoided? You know where your son or daughter is. How much have you saved not going to the public? Petrol or travel money still in pockets anyway." Just call me, Nana say also said, "The lockdown was enforced, the Ghanaian complained, defied orders and move around always. The lockdown lifted, the Ghanaian still complains. If you don't have anything doing outside, it's not a crime to stay home." Exactly, I agree with you. Bright Nema also to the fellow Accraians and Kumasians. Very, Leonardo is saying if you don't have anything doing, Tashian, Tinefie, stay at home. These two shall pass. All that also tweeted, "Good morning, beautiful people. The lockdown has been lifted, but your lockdown for safety hasn't been lifted. Stay at home." This is just a reminder. Great point. Mr. Che also tweeted, "After observing the reactions of people on social media from last night to this morning, I can confidently say my people Ghanaians missed a lot. Please go read the full text. The lockdown." Yes, for life also tweeted, "The lockdown. So Nana, do the thing like if you want to die, fine." That's why you have to stay at home if you don't have anything doing. Yes, so Kobe also tweeted, "It looks like Nanado press restart for Accra. We're back to factory settings and happy to get that money before another. Road is full again." Wow, he is tweeting based. I think he tweeted not long ago, so he's saying that there's traffic in town ever since the lockdown was lifted. Receiver also tweeted, "At first he said, we know how to bring back the economy back to life, but what we do not know is how to bring people back to life, or maybe what they know now is how to bring people back to life." Wow. Wow. Loak also tweeted, "No be small eatings them go eat Ghanaian girls this free period." Wow. Ghost also tweeted, "Measures taken against the spread of coronavirus with Nanado lift the lockdown. We are on a suicide mission." I think Ghanaians are also missing a lot. If you really heard what the president said, he said a lot, and I think people are missing a lot of points. Guys, kindly go back and watch the video. We have the video on this channel. Just go through our catalog and watch the video. He said a lot. I mean, about we protecting ourselves, the measures government is putting in place. So this, for me, I foresee there being a total lockdown, because I mean we all know we are developing country and we don't have everything. Even the developed countries are even struggling. So then I think the pressure on government is too much. Therefore, they are trying to relieve a lot of pressure on them, or some pressure on them, and to see how things are going to go, and they are going to come back again. So let's not jubilate. Those who are jubilating, please, this is not time to jubilate. The virus is still out there. And if you are jubilating, you might not know as and when you contract the virus. So let's be safe. Yeah, so Kwame Single also tweeted, "The lockdown was only in some parts of the nation. Places that recorded some COVID-19 were still doing their normal businesses, some observing social distancing. It's like Accra has a problem with social distancing with the numbers of educated people in this region." Shepherd Prince also tweeted, "How the president lifted the lockdown there. By June, now Ubia," he actually added the pallbearers picture to it. Today, Sewa tweeted, "Fellow Ghanaians, discipline is what we need at this moment. Stay safe." Yes, so this reminds me. The president's speech was like, we have to discipline ourselves. Ghanaians have to discipline ourselves, because I just can't imagine when just some few minutes after the president's speech, some people were jubilating. Like, have they forgotten social distancing? And we're so close to each other. Can you imagine? I think we have to discipline ourselves in this country. Ghanaians, we really have to discipline ourselves. And trust me, for us to reach where we want to reach, if we don't discipline ourselves, Ghana can never move forward. We will still be where we are, even if we have lots of people coming to lead the country, whether there's a change in government, whether people are assuming positions and even working hard. If we don't change our mentality, and also we don't discipline ourselves, we will still be where we are. I just can't think far that the government or the president has made a speech or said something about the lockdown being lifted and people are jubilating. Can you imagine? Are we serious in this country? Let's be serious. Let's educate our relatives. We the youth, let's educate the people around us. Okay, in our small way, let's just educate people. We are in trying times. We are not in normal times. Okay, we are in abnormal times. Excuse my language. So we really have to take certain things very, very, very serious. Okay, so Yabwa Fosu Fries also tweeted, "Please, Minister, We would like to know when the AC is going to pay its temporary staff for 2019 district assembly election. Wow, I think some areas there he's fighting for his salary. Elozo Namwa also tweeted, month ago, I went to the market with 200 Ghana cedi and my fridge was full. I went to the market with 300 Ghana cedi this time around, thinking I would be able to shop for more than a month, but after packing everything in the fridge, it looks empty again. Our market women are killing us. Wow, lots of people are actually complaining about the market women increasing the prices of. I mean, this is not the opportunity for you to enrich yourself. I mean, we are in trying times, so then why do you increase prices if there has not been an increase in price just because you want to make money? No, let's be serious in this country. Gary Al-Smith also tweeted, tried to make sense of all the balls the president had to juggle as he lifted the lockdown, concluded that economics trumped the science, but he had little choice. Anyway, I agree with him. Kumawood should just organize themselves and bring a movie with the title The Lockdown, Kweku Jagba tweeted. Mr. Showboy tweeted, Nanado, the lockdown is lifted, coronavirus, the Bluetooth device is ready to pair. This is a funny tweet though. Okay, let me read a few more tweets then we end this session. Yeah, so Daniel also tweeted, fellow Ghanaians, we've been given an opportunity to go and restock basic necessities with these 2 weeks. Let's stay safe while we are at it. If you have no reason to go out to, please continue to stay at home. Human congestion in town alone is even a social gathering. Yeah, so Dr. Blanco tweeted, Head Nanado has lifted the lockdown. Ghana, here I come. Bismarck Davis also to the lockdown and the reactions after it was lifted for Ghanaians with some restriction gives you an overview of the uncertainties we are confronted with. Stay at home if you have nothing to do out there. Consume foods that boost your immune system and maintain social distancing. I agree with you perfectly. Godwin Bello also tweeted, I'm waiting. No, I want a date with tears of joy, even if it's just to go out with her pressing my phone and sitting with her at the back of my GC glass Benz, all that since it's period of showing. Oh, come on. Do good at also tweeted, the decision by the president to suspend the lockdown in Accra, Ghana and Greater Kumasi is of the assumption that we are wise and mature enough to make right decisions to stop contracting the virus. Let's not look stupid as the numbers keep increasing. Yes, let's be self-disciplined. It's very, very important. Official Yekin also tweeted, the lockdown is breeding gigantic hunger in the land and government isn't serious in addressing it. Wyke has tightened the lockdown in some parts of PH. Hunger Dale. Okay, guys, so these are a few reactions on Twitter about the lockdown being lifted. Okay, what do you think about this particular upliftment of lockdown? Just drop your comment or your submission in the comment section below. Let's get interactive in there. Okay, guys, so we've come to the end of the reaction video right here on Odate Jish TV. As I always say, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Odate Jish TV on Facebook, on Twitter, and also on Instagram at Odate Jish TV. Also, don't forget to please, let's be self-disciplined in these trying times. Go along when you're going out with your PPEs. It's very, very important. Also practice the social distancing measures, since that's the only way for us to avoid contacting the virus. Don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms at Odate_GH. Let's get in touch. Don't forget to also follow my blog www.odategh.com for the latest entertainment news and gossip. Come at the same time with another edition of a reaction video. It's bye for now.